Alright, I'm going to show you how to sync up your audio and video in iMovie. It's very simple, just a few quick steps. First thing is open up your iMovie. Now you should have the file that you are scoring somewhere on a thumb drive, or maybe it's on the school computer. Wherever it is, find it. Go to File, Import Movies. Right here I have it right on my desktop, Dim1. I'm going to create a new event. I'm going to call it Film Music Project. Move files. You don't want to copy files. It'll take up a lot of extra space in your hard drive. So just move files, import. Should only take a few seconds. It's a small file. It's going to create thumbnails for you. The next step is you're going to open up a new project. So let's see. Yep. It started it right here. It showed it down here. This is where it popped up. We're going to create a new project now. New project. You're going to call it your movie name followed by the number Q you have. In my case, it's just Dim1. You could be Reckoning 5. You could be Shoes 3. Whatever the case may be, just put down the name and then the number of your Q. Now this is very important, the aspect ratio. If you are doing a dim chance, you want to do it in standard 4:3. If you are doing either Reckoning or Shoes, you're going to want to do it in widescreen. I'll say that again. Make sure, if you're doing a dim chance, that your aspect ratio is standard, and if it's not, if it's one of the other two, you want to change it to widescreen. Here we go. It pops up right here. We have blank space here. This is where we're going to drag our media. First thing we got to do, get our movie clip in there. So I'm going to right click it, select entire clip. Then you're going to want to click it and drag it over. Here it is. You can drag your cursor around. You'll see the thumbnails. You might hear some sound too once you add the sound, which is the next step. Go to this music note at the bottom. We have music, pictures, text, and transitions. And what you're going to want to do is go to music, find your audio file. It should be in a playlist. You should have done this in one of the previous steps. My file is in audio. Should have your last name followed by your first initial. Click and drag it here. Now it could be that you might see a different screen, you might see something like this, you might see something like that. All this is this bar here breaks down the thumbnails into 5 seconds, 2 seconds, or whatever the bar is. It's easiest if you just do all. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add a title here in the lower corner, or the middle corner I should say. Lower third, click this and drag it, and it should only show for a third of the time. Under title text, put your name. Subtitle text, just get rid of that, just press delete. Let's read. Here we go. Once you see a screen like this, it should be all set up. Just check it. You can do view, play full screen. You can see my name in the lower third there. It'll be disappearing a little bit. There it goes. Everything looked good, so you're going to go up to Share, Export Movie. Again, save it as whatever your title is. Mine is Dim1. Save it to your desktop or any place where you'll remember where it is. Make sure that the size to export is large. We all want it to be large. And then click Export. And that's all you got to do. Once this is done, it'll just pop up in my window. And that's it. If you have any problems, let me know.